Hey guys, Kiki Fit Cosplay here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I took this and I turned it into this. First, you're going to need a mannequin or a foam head or something you can style this wig on. If you don't have that, maybe you have a sibling or another human being in the house that you can style it on them instead. Next, you're going to need a wig to style, a brush and or comb to style the wig, got to be hairspray, it's got to be, eyeshadow to color the tips, and ribbon for some added touches at the end. So you want to start off by combing it all out and then sectioning the bangs into 3 separate portions. Then you want to take your first section and back comb the crap out of it until it looks like one of those 80s hairstyles that your mom used to make you wear to special occasions and school photos when you were a kid. Yeah, at least mine did. Once your bangs look like a bird's nest on steroids, or a beaver dam, you will want to start combing down the top portion, leaving the inside a hot mess, and just style the outside. If you're not happy with how your poof looks now, you can always go back and back comb it all again and then style it bigger and better and then re-comb over. But once you are happy with your comb over, you can always set it with some got to be hairspray. Once I use my first coat of hairspray, I do like to comb over it a little bit again just to get rid of any extra frizzies that might be on top. It'll help to comb those down. Once you're happy with the first section, you move on to one of the other sections. So this bang here has 3 separate sections. I just styled the middle and now I'm working on the left side. Random side note, if you were trying to style the Anna from Coronation Morning wig, you'd be done right now. But we're not making that one right now, so let's keep going. I wanted the sides to be really poofy, so I hairsprayed the crap out of it while it was still back combed to help keep the inside nice and tight and give it more volume. When I first started styling wigs, backcombing used to terrify me, but then I realized there's really no such thing as over backcombing any wig. You can always comb it out after, so I always go way overboard every time I'm backcombing. Even though I backcomb as big as I do, half the time I still go back and I backcomb it again because it's not big enough and it's not cartoony enough, and I like the big cartoon character poof, especially in Peach. For some reason I was having trouble making both sides look the same, and this one side was really bothering me and I couldn't get it pointed right, but I eventually just kind of moved on. If by the end of this your workstation isn't completely covered by a thick layer of hairspray foam, then you clearly don't use as much hairspray as me. I did have a few things I wanted to still touch up on this wig at this point, but I wanted to try starting on the pigtails just so I would have an idea of how it would all look together before I styled the bangs a little bit too big. So these pigtails that I bought for the wig have a big clip that clips onto the base of the wig, and I needed it to have a bun at the top, so I put a thin elastic around right underneath the clip itself. Then once I had the clip on the wig, I took my little ribbon which had an elastic wrapped around it and I put it around the entire clip, and the clip itself made its own little bun on the back and it looked really cute, so I kept it that way. This little bun hack made my life so much easier, and this process was so much faster because of it. It's even easier to see on the second bun here just how easy it was to do this. Here's your ponytail, here's the elastic, and boom, done. If you want, you can end the styling right here, but I wanted it as true to the picture as I could, so I decided to color the very tips of the pigtails with some green eyeshadow. Now, to be honest, I was a little bit nervous about adding color to this wig, so I went very slow at first, and once I got a little bit more comfortable, I went a little bit heavier with the eyeshadow. Side note, wouldn't this wig look adorable if it was a Harley Quinn style like this? I might just go out and buy another wig after this, so I can style one pink and one blue, or one red and one black. Oh, I think it would look so cute. The eyeshadow I ended up actually using for this wig was a color palette from Wish, don't judge, and I used about 4 different color greens. I went darker on the very tips, and then I went a little bit lighter for a more blended look. Now, I don't know if there's a proper technique to doing this, but I just painted it on a couple strands with one of my fingers, and then I took my hands and rubbed them together and helped to blend it throughout the rest of the hair. What kind of techniques do you prefer to use to color your wigs? Do you airbrush them? Use acrylic paint? Let me know in the comments below. This was the first time I've ever actually used eyeshadow to color a wig, and I would definitely do it again. It was so easy. Not to mention it was cost efficient as well, which who doesn't like that? And there you have it. That is how I styled my Yoshette wig, and my only regret from this is that I should have added a little bit more green to the tips of my hair. If you guys enjoyed this wig tutorial, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!